Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are talking about the lesson Environment Talk. Before this, we have already studied about what is environment, natural resources, pollution. In types of pollution, we have already studied about air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. We also saw the causes of different types of pollution and the effect of all pollution that give us many types of disease. And today we are going to study about noise pollution. It is also a type of pollution. Dear student, we all know about noise. What is noise? Sound which harsh and not pleasant to our eyes. Sound which is harsh and not pleasant to our ears is called noise, which is not pleasant to our ear is called noise. It is called noise, and when it it create in a high level high level of noise leads to noise pollution. High level of noise leads to noise pollution. So next thing is causes. Dear student, in this topic we will discuss about the different types of causes by which air pollution create problem for us. So what are the causes? Let us see. Excessive use in excessive use of horns causes noise pollution. Dear student, when we move on the road, many times you saw that vehicles are doing unnecessary they are using unnecessary horns, and this horns cause noise pollution. So first cause of noise pollution is excessive use of horns. Excessive use of horns. And second is loudspeaker cause noise pollution. Yes student, many times we saw and we listen our neighbor using listening music in high voice, high volume. So it is a cause of disturbance for the person who are sick or who are in study. So loudspeaker cause noise pollution. It is also a cause of noise pollution. Bursting of firecrackers adds to noise pollution. When we burst firecracker on Diwali or any other festivals or any other occasion, it creates a loud noise, and it is also a cause of noise pollution and also air pollution. As you know, watching television and listening radio at high volume. Watching television and listening to radio at high volume. When we watch and when we listen television and radio at high volume, it also create noise pollution. And these all about the cause of noise pollution. And my dear student, next is effects. Effects 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 means प्रभाव. इफेक्ट्स मीन्स प्रभाव. बेटा वो कौन कौन से प्रभाव होते हैं या वो कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि हमारे ऊपर प्रभाव डालती हैं या हमें डिस्टर्ब करती हैं. सो इन दिस सेक्शन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इफेक्ट्स, दैट इज प्रभाव. एंड loud noise can harm our ears and our ability to hear. Yes, student? When we live many hours or many days in loud voice, our ear, it harm our ears and our ability to hear. बेटा जब हम लोग किसी बहुत ज़्यादा शोर वाली जगह पे रहते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, लगातार तेज़ आवाज़ सुनने की वजह से जो हमारे कान हैं और उनको नुकसान पहुंचता है. नॉइज़ कैन हार्म आवर ईयर एंड आवर एबिलिटी टू हियर. Our ability to hear. Ability to hear. So it is the first effect can harm our ear and can harm ability to hear. ज़्यादा तेज़ आवाज़ में लगातार सुनने की वजह से बेटा फिर हमें ऊंची आवाज़ ही सुनाई देती है. Low voice we are unable to listen low voice. So next thing is noise pollution can cause headache and irritation. Headache means sir dard, irritation means khujli, and noise pollution can cause headache and irritation. Dear student, noise pollution create headache and irritation in our eyes. Many times when there is irritation in our eye, we rub our eyes and water comes out from our eyes and our eyes get red. So it is the effect of noise pollution, headache and irritation. Noise pollution makes it difficult for us to concentrate and does not let us think clearly. Dear student, when you study in the class and many times teacher asks you to sit quietly, maintain silence. Why? Because it is very necessary to concentrate your mind. When there will be too much noise and too much noise in the class, by this your concentration, you cannot concentrate your mind in study, so there is a need of silence. So noise pollution make it difficult for us to concentrate. We cannot concentrate in noise pollution, so it is the effect of noise pollution. Noise pollution, what should we do to save the environment? And our next topic is what should we do to save the environment? Yes, student? What should we do to save the environment? In this day, environment is a very big issue for the countries of the world, and you can say it is very important, and it is very important to maintain a good environment, and it is also a challenge So my dear student, in this topic we will see how can we save our environment in which we are living. Dear student, if our environment is good and healthy, we will also good and healthy and we can live a long life. So let us see. First of all, we should plant more trees. They help us to keep the air clean. We should plant more trees. Dear student, we should plant more and more trees because why? Dear student, as you know, trees and plants absorb all the harmful air and harmful gases, and they release oxygen and fresh air that we use in our daily life. We cannot live without fresh air and oxygen, fresh air and the oxygen. So there is need to plant more and more trees for good air and for good environment. So next one is we should save water and other resources. We should save water. As we know, fresh water is available in very little quantity. So we should use fresh water properly and efficiently. We should not waste it. By this we can save our environment. And next one is we should use jute bags and cloth bags because they are environment friendly. Say no to plastic and polythene bag. Dear student, polythene bag are very harmful for us. After using the bags and plastics we throw on the road or anywhere where it goes, it create problem for us. It choke our drainage during rainy time, and it create a difficulty and it create flood situation in the city area. And when we burn it, it release harmful gases which are harmful for our body and our health. So we should use jute bags and cloth bags. Why? It is both are jute bag and cloth bag both are biodegradable. Biodegradable means the things and the substances which mix up easily in the sand, in the soil. All the things which mix up easily in the soil are called biodegradable, and non-biodegradable, the things which cannot mix up with easily with soil, they are called non-biodegradable. Example, plastic and the things which are made with plastic, both are non-biodegradable substances. So we should use jute bags and cloth bags. And next is say no to firecrackers. Firecrackers cause loud noise and smoke. Firecrackers cause loud noise and smoke. Firecrackers cause loud noise. Loud noise means tej आवाज. My dear student, all we know, firecrackers produce noise pollution as well as air pollution. So we should know to firecrackers. Save paper, save paper, saving paper, save paper as saving paper means saving trees. When we save paper, when we save paper, it means we are saving trees, because papers are made with trees. So pulp of the tree. And next is, we should throw garbage into garbage bins only. For maintaining good environment, we should throw garbage in the bins. Garbage in the bins means हमको जितना भी कूड़ा कचरा है वो हमको कहाँ डालना चाहिए? बिन्स में डालना चाहिए. ये नहीं है कि कहीं भी हम रोड पे या किसी भी जगह हम फेंक दें. सो वी शुड follow all these things, we can save our environment and we can make our environment healthy. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class, and I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, please do study properly and do comments in the comment box by writing your name, class and section as you are doing. It is good thing, and tell other students to comment in comment box for attendance. So have a nice day.